What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. This video I made how to claim your Stargaze airdrop. Today I will show you how to claim mission 4 of the airdrop. We already claimed 3 missions. This you can find in this video, so go watch it first if you didn't do that already. So let's get into the video of today. If we go to the page, we just need to connect our wallet to Stargaze. Every link that I use will be dropped in the description of my video, so make sure to use that. If we click on to connect wallet, this will connect with our Stargaze address. I have claimed my 3 missions of my airdrop already. Now we can claim mission 4, mint an NFT. So how we are going to mint an NFT, because this is a marketplace for NFTs, you can compare this with the Ethereum OpenSea, but this is just a small one starting on the Cosmos ecosystem, Stargaze. So make sure to watch it out and keep this in mind, because maybe they will be launching some valuable NFTs in the future. So if you just click onto marketplace, you will see this is coming soon. We cannot claim this. This is also our last mission that we need to bid on an NFT when the marketplace launches. But if we look for today, we just click onto launchpad. If you come to launchpad, you will see here we have some NFTs launching right now. You can see the price is 114 stars. Stars is at a price right now of 32 cents. Here you will see which projects are launching. If you look at this one, this is the price 250 stars, max 10 tokens. You can see how many are minted. So I would say just choose an NFT of choice that you would like, that you want, and then you can just mint it right here. You have some really cool art. These ones are already sold out, but it looks cool, the art. Like this one, colonial cats. So I'm looking to mint an NFT so I can claim my mission 4. If I had seen this one more early, I would buy it immediately, because it has a small supply, it's very cheap. This one also looks very interesting, but this one was really expensive. There are also only 28 NFTs of this one, so that's why it was expensive. So these are the ones that are still mintable right now. You can see 71% sold out. All proceeds from this collection go to the non-profit Ogala Life to help recharge groundwater. That seems like a really nice. So I have only 126 stars available to purchase an NFT. If I would have more, I would purchase this one because it has a low supply. Because if you look at this one, it has a high supply of 5,000 NFTs. So the only one that I can mint of the 3 that are now available is the first one, because I don't have enough stars for the other ones. So I'm just gonna mint this one so I can claim the other 20% of my airdrop. Click onto mint. Just approve this. Alright, successful, mint successful, view NFT. So this is my NFT that I have. I have mask 54 of 114, base color magenta. So we are not able to sell this one because the marketplace is not live. If the marketplace is live, we can claim our last other 20% of the airdrop. So now just go back to airdrop once you have minted the NFT. It's still not claimable, it's counting down. If we go take a look at the Twitter, we can see claiming the airdrop for minting an NFT unlocks in less than 24 hours. You have to be eligible for the original ATOM and OSMO snapshot of 10 November 2021 to claim. So this will unlock in 16 hours. If I look at it right now, it says 16 hours. So if I wait 16 hours, I'm going to be able to claim my other 20% of the airdrop. So that was it, how to mint your NFT on Stargaze and how you can claim your airdrop. Make sure to go claim the airdrop once you have minted. Make sure to go watch my previous video on how to claim plus stake your Stargaze airdrop so you can claim your first 3 missions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will be eligible for the upcoming giveaway that I will be doing when I reach 100 subscribers. So make sure to tune into my channel, put a like, leave a comment, and I will see you into the next video. Take care everyone, bye bye.